Do you trade in commodities? Here is one way to help you manage risks the next time you trade in commodities. It is advisable to always trade by strictly placing a stop-loss order. So let's understand how to place stop-loss order in commodities with a live demo. In case you have a buy position in crude oil option contract, and if you want to place a stop-loss order, then first go to the open position page and click on square off button. Now you will get a normal sell order placement page, and after selecting limit price, you will get a stop-loss toggle button. After enabling stop-loss toggle, you will get trigger price field, and with this you can enter the stop-loss order. Suppose you have bought this option contract at 50 and current market price is at 45 and you want to place a stop-loss order at 40. Then first enter 40 in the stop-loss trigger price field and 35 in limit price, and then you can submit your order. So this way we can place stop-loss order at 40 with limit price at 35. In other words, in case crude oil option price goes below 40, then your sell order of 35 will be activated at the exchange and will be executed at the best available price. Please remember these few important points. In stop-loss order, you need to mention two prices, stop-loss trigger price and limit price, and maintain sufficient difference between stop-loss trigger price and limit price basis the liquidity in the respective contracts. While putting sell stop-loss order, your stop-loss trigger price should be less than the last traded price and limit price should be below the stop-loss trigger price. Whereas, in case you want to place a buy stop-loss order, then your stop-loss trigger price should be higher than the current market price and limit price should be above the stop-loss trigger price. So next time, do not forget to place the stop-loss order and manage your losses. Happy trading! For more such information, subscribe to our YouTube channel ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.